If I stand behind the podium, maybe you will not see me, so I'd rather stand here. Every moment is precious, and this moment is too precious for me and for the entire nursing fraternity. As Dr. Y.P. Bhatia said, Der aaye, durust aaye. Thank you so much, Vicky, for this special occasion of celebrating nurses. And I stand here acknowledging the recognition given to nurses in India through us. Thank you very much. Good evening, dignitaries on the stage and off the stage, and esteemed jury members. I accept this award with great pride and humility on behalf of all the nurses in India. Because if I have achieved anything in healthcare, it was not my individual feat. I could not achieve all that unless the team was with me, the healthcare industry partners, the leaders, the teachers, colleagues in nursing, and colleagues from all the other departments. Maybe I initiated, they chipped in. So thank you so much to everyone who have traveled this path with me till here today. Though I received many awards, I didn't get this moment of giving a speech. So I'm really, really thankful to the FICCI leadership and the jury for giving me this 1 minute. Thank you so much for that. I would definitely love to thank God Almighty for guiding me in this journey for the last 44 years. I want to thank my father, who put me on the path of leadership, and he taught me to speak up. My mother and my family for standing with me throughout. And of course, my son, he never comes with me anywhere, but today he's here, I don't know, he disappeared, for being my constant inspiration and energy source for the last, from 1998. I cannot finish my speech unless I thank my golden retriever Riley. For the last 2 years, he has made me younger. So Dr. Mahajan was, Dr. Lal was telling, and Dr. Mahajan was also mentioning 44 years. But I would say, kahani abhi baki hai. So I would also love to thank one person who supported me as a single mom to bring up my son, plus do everything that I could do in healthcare. That is Saroj, who is the help at home. She has been with me for 24 years. So there are many more people who have supported. So this award is not mine alone. It belongs to so many people. I stand here with great humility and accept this award. But before I say thank you once again, I would definitely love to request Sir Gauba. In the beginning, someone mentioned that you're going to lead the governance and the excellence in the healthcare, in all industries, including healthcare. So my humble request is that the Nursing Midwifery Act bill has been passed but is not yet enacted. I would definitely request on behalf of all the nurses in the country that this is just a small step of recognizing 2-3 of us, but nurses, they are the maximum number in the healthcare industry. We would really request you to please enact that. We all are there to support, and as the founder president of Association of Nurse Executives India, we are there to support whichever way we can. Give us the chance and see how healthcare is going to shine. Give us that opportunity. Thank you so much. Thank you for